Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. The word of the day is administrative, an advanced level adjective that means related to managing or organizing tasks in an office or organization. Let's dive into how we can use this word in everyday English and broaden your vocabulary. The word administrative is often used to describe duties, roles, or processes that are focused on organization and management within a workplace. For instance, you might hear about administrative tasks like scheduling meetings, preparing reports, or ensuring the smooth operation of an office. It's a word that's essential in professional settings, especially if you're discussing roles or responsibilities. Now, let's explore some synonyms. Words like managerial, organizational, and bureaucratic can serve as alternatives to administrative. For example, you could say, her managerial skills ensure the project runs smoothly, or the organizational framework was designed to streamline communication. On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms. Words like non-managerial, creative, or unstructured highlight a contrast to the idea of being administrative. For instance, his creative work focuses on developing innovative ideas rather than handling paperwork, or this project requires a more unstructured approach to brainstorming ideas. How does administrative show up in everyday life? You might use it when talking about office work or processes. For instance, I spent the morning handling administrative tasks like filing documents and replying to emails. Or if someone is describing their job, they might say, I work in an administrative role, overseeing office operations. Here are a few more usage examples to make the word even clearer. The administrative team ensures the company's day-to-day activities run without a hitch. He has excellent administrative skills, which make him a great candidate for the position. We need someone with strong administrative experience to handle this department. To wrap up, we've explored the word administrative, its meaning, synonyms like managerial and organizational, antonyms such as creative and unstructured, and examples of how it's used in context. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Now it's your turn. Create a sentence using the word administrative and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.